Meaning of his.
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 His. His is a pronoun used to indicate possession or ownership by a male individual or entity. It refers to something that belongs to the person or animal that is being identified. For example, his car is parked outside means that the car belongs to the male individual being referred to. His can also be used as a gender-neutral singular possessive pronoun in some contexts. Overall, his is an important word in the English language as it helps us express possession and ownership of different things in both spoken and written communication.